Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Key. So as I said earlier, today is the day to get those tanks filled up after the long holiday weekend of traveling to the country. As of tomorrow, a litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for 25 cents more. Diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will also go up by 25 cents. Kerosene will, however, increase by $4.50. $1 will be added to the cost of propane and $1.03 to butane. Of course, each gas station will add their own markups. British Caribbean insurance company BCIC is looking to reduce insurance fraud and associated payouts. To do this, the company has established a special investigations unit in conjunction with Guardsman Elite. Insurance companies say fraud is rampant, especially in the motor vehicle segment of the business, with persons faking injuries and accidents for payouts. It's why British Caribbean insurance company BCIC is introducing a special investigations unit run by Guardsman Elite. Peter Levy is managing director of BCIC.
We recognize the need to have a purpose-built, specialized unit using the expertise of people who are experts in that field. Along with our customer knowledge and create a barrier between our claims department and our claims payouts and the people who are trying to get their hands on it illicitly.
The program started in November. Mr. Levy says it could help reduce premiums for customers.
Legitimate claimants should have an easier time, and in the long run, if we're successful, we will reduce the cost that the amount of claims that we pay out to these fraudsters, and that will improve our position to the point that we can reflect that in our pricing.
BCIC says discussions are ongoing, which could see other insurance players replicating the system. Managing Director of Guardsman Group Vinay Walia says the unit's strategy will be driven by statistics.
For us, it's all about data analytics, and BCIC has the data, and they have the historical data as well. So we'll work with them to analyze that data, and our objective will be to kind of bring their claims experience down. And the message goes out, because some of these cases that will be investigated, the idea of investigation is to get also the evidence which can actually be used in court. And that's what our objective is, to work with them in partnership to not only identify fraud, then to see if we can actually take it to closure in such a way which sends a message that discourages other people for even thinking about it.
To the currency market now, the US dollar is being sold for an average $152.72. $112.39 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $184.07 for the pound, while it's costing an average $165.31 for the euro. At the end of today's trading session, the JSE index gained 170 points today, while the junior market index lost 27 points. Among the winners were Palace Amusement, T-Tech, Mayberry Investments, Trans-Jamaican Highway 8% shares, and First Rock Real Estate Investment, while the decliners included JMMB Group 7.5% shares, Lasco Distributors, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, and Berger Paints Jamaica. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.